Okay, so this is how to set up a Teams meeting in your class to schedule it. So first you want to go to the left-hand side of your screen and you want to click on Calendar. Once you click on Calendar, it'll pull up what you have for the week. So let's say I decide I want to set up a Teams meeting on Wednesday. Well, let's go ahead and set up my Teams meeting on Thursday. So I'm going to click the time slots, and I'm going to title it Class Meeting, and check the date, make sure I have the time. It's only going to be in increments of 30 minutes, so you can do 30 minutes to an hour. This is where you're going to type the names of your students in that class. It's going to automatically populate. Then you're going to pick a channel for which one do you want to have your class for. So is it going to be your first period, your second period, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh? You're going to pick that here. Once you pick that, you can pick if you're going to have it repeat. You can have it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and you can do a custom. So if you only are going to do it every other day or so, you can do that here. This is where I type like my agenda for the meeting and let the students know what we're going to be discussing, and that way it will pop up. After you do that and you add all of your required students, you would hit save and it would pop up there, and the students who are invited will get a notification as well. And that is how you make a Teams meeting.